So you got my number from somebody?
Yeah, from what is it called? There was another company that came out, and he said he knows you. He's a personal friend. I forgot his name. He drives a white van, kind of chubby, Irish guy.
Oh, white guy?
Yeah.
Oh, Steve maybe?
I have his thing up there. I have his name up there.
Okay. So you got valve issues with it?
So I mean, it's kind of pretty simple. You put it on pilot, click down pilot, and you hit the igniter, but it doesn't seem to ignite.
Oh, okay. You just can't get it ignited?
And well, not even that. When he does get it ignited, I mean, isn't there supposed to be a glass here?
Yeah,
like
somebody broke that out to light it.
Yeah, see. So whatever you can do to fix it. I mean.
Okay. Yeah. Crazy. Why is it going out so much?
I have no idea. It just started. I've been here for about 5 years, and I've never had a problem with it.
Oh, okay.
But I'm guessing the tank might be just too old. It's a 9-year-old tank.
Well, these valves, these Delta valves, are notorious for being crappy. So.
Can you swap
All
those?
right.
Let me know what you find.
Okay.
Because I paid him, and it was
you paid him to fix it?
Yeah, and it just seems like it's a waste of money so far.
Oh yeah, sorry.
So let me, because he got it working, and then when we took a shower, it was warm water. It wasn't hot, and then it went out in like 20 minutes.
Yeah, well, it could be a number of different things, but.
All right, just give me a call.
Okay.
I'm up there when my daughter's eating dinner.
Okay.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome. So, somebody broke the glass out. It's kind of a classic move. I see that a lot. They smash the glass out. by delta. Say goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, delta. Okay, so took the glass out, so I'll replace that. Pull this burner assembly out of here. Remove the pilot assembly. Somebody already replaced the thermocouple a long time ago. As you can see, it's the wrong size, right? How long it is. B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. Bingo was his name. Get rid of that piece of crap. I used to work in the daytime. It's getting lighter and longer. I think the time change is coming up on the 12th. I'm excited for that. I'll tell you what, I'm sick of the cold and the dark. This is my season, summer, when it happens. Turn it back on. Turn the water back on. Alright, so whenever I replace the valves, I always make sure while they're disconnected that they are releasing gas. So it's releasing gas, so seems to be functional. Go. Get rid of the old pieces right here. Took the glass out of this one. This glass is pretty nasty, but it's better than not having one. This glass is pretty fogged up. Dripping. Okay. Boy, a lot of space to work with. Okay, so I see it's kind of hard to read. There's a pilot light going on in there. Let's hope it holds. Complaining about lukewarm water, so we'll put it on B for him. Give you a little shot. There you go. It's not perfect, but you know, change the valve, change the pilot. Should have got it. Got rid of the delta, which is probably the problem. And yeah, these are bulletproof. These guys right here. These things are great. So anyway, that's how you change a valve pretty quickly. You can do it when the water heater's full. You just get a vacuum going. So I shut the water off to it, and I released the pressure, and then I pulled the valve out really fast. Put the new one in. It can only let out as much water as it can let air in, and got the valve in. I got that connected, kind of tested the valve, and changed the, I had to change the pilot assembly because the spark igniter on this is different. It's flat, and it only goes to these deltas, so, and you could see that thing was probably not, I mean, who knows, right? So, I'll leave that there for him, but yeah, it's still running. And should hopefully continue to run for him. Thank you for watching, and consider subscribing. Really looking for subscribers, trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. I think I've got 308 as of today. I'm thrilled with this 308 subscribers, that's for sure. Thank you if you have subscribed already to the channel. I've already hit my watch hours, so I hit my 4,000 watch hours. I thought I'd never get those. I thought I'd get the subscribers first, but it's been hard to get subscribers. It's kind of a niche thing, so I don't blame people. And I don't subscribe to a lot of channels. This is actually a 2014 Rheem. But yeah. So if you like content like this, I do installation, service calls. That's where I'm at today, is a service call. And I work on water heaters at my yard and then sell them used. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.